Hi, my name is Michelle. I live in Pinellas County. So, about my son Evan, his name means young warrior. He's a 15-year-old recipient of Medicaid, and he was actually projected to not walk, talk, eat, drink, anything. He was born with something called congenital hydrocephalus that required a shunt being placed in his brain that drains to his abdomen. However, has a compromised immune system. At 6 months of age, he started having seizures, and his seizures, unfortunately, are a very rare type where without intervention are fatal. When he was 2, he was diagnosed with autism. He has cerebral palsy and recently been diagnosed with something called periodic limb movement disorder, which at night impacts his legs shaking hundreds of times throughout the night. He's also been diagnosed with something called Chiari-1 malformation, which is where his brain actually drops into his spinal cord. So he's medically complex, to say the least. He is a recipient of Medicaid services. The hugest part of those services that impact our life is his private duty nursing services. So the nurses are vital to our life. His services under Medicaid cover his medications. He takes 3 seizure medications. The medications alone are hugely expensive. And so I am employed. I'm an occupational therapist. Private health insurances, they do not cover private duty nursing. Without private duty nursing, I can't work and I can't sleep. The private insurance also is very limited in the number of therapies that they allow my son per year for speech, occupational, physical therapy, applied behavioral therapy, all of the therapies. If Congress were to cut Medicaid services or we would lose Medicaid services for my son, it would directly impact him having private duty nursing services. It would impact my son's safety while I'm at work. Losing or cutting back Medicaid services for my family would be absolutely catastrophic. It would impact our ability to function as a family, to think of the plan that should support parents and families living this day to day being taken away or limited. It feels barbaric, to be honest. Taking that away would put a lot of families in situations that are probably unfathomable.